Congrats. You've collected absolutely useless data. What does stressful even mean? You need to be specific. A better question. On a scale from 1 to 10, how often do you feel overwhelmed by schoolwork? Boom. Now you've got measurable data. He points at the slide again. And if you're doing interviews, don't lead your participants. If you ask, would you agree that coffee makes studying easier? That's basically begging them to say yes. Instead, ask, how does caffeine impact your ability to focus? He scribbles ethical considerations on the board in massive letters. Okay, now for the fun part, ethics. And by fun, I mean the part where College Board will end you if you screw it up. He clicks to the next slide. How to not get your study shut down. First, informed consent. If you're working with human subjects, you must tell them exactly what they're signing up for. No shady business. No surprise, you're in a study. Nonsense. If you don't get consent, that's research misconduct. He pauses, looking around. And let's talk about confidentiality. If you're collecting personal data, you better lock that down. No Google Docs with public sharing on. No writing responses on loose-leaf paper and forgetting it in the cafeteria. If someone trusts you with their info, you protect it. Period. He clicks to the next slide. The part where you admit you're not perfect. Now, limitations. Look, I know it's tempting to act like your study is flawless, but let's be real, it's not. And that's okay. Acknowledging what went wrong actually makes your research stronger. He writes, limitations, own it. Small sample size, say it. Couldn't control external factors, mention it. Accidentally spilled coffee on your survey responses? Maybe don't mention that one. But the point is, be honest. No research is perfect. He steps back, arms crossed. If you can justify your method, be ethical, and acknowledge your limitations, you are miles ahead of the people who just wing it. And trust me, College Board can smell when you're winging it. He grabs his coffee, taking a slow sip before heading to the door. Next time, we tackle data analysis because collecting data is one thing, but making sense of it, that's where things get real.